Hi travellers, I'm Anne's daughter Lalego. If you saw my other video of the tour through my apartment in Saudi Arabia, then you'll know I was pretty unhappy about the state of things. Anyway, I've just heard the news that a different apartment in the same building has become free. I've just gone upstairs to check it out. I'm definitely stepping up in the world. It's still not ideal, but it's much better than what I've been living in. So I'll put the link of my other video of my tour of my apartment, but please check that out first so that now you can appreciate why I'm like a little bit joyous, because hopefully it's going to be better. It can't be worse, can it? Can it? It can always be worse, but let's think positively. This is going to be so much better. Anyway, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing, as I post new videos every week that give tips and strategies to help enhance your travel experiences. So in this case, my tip is, if you're not impressed with your apartment when you first move or whatever housing you're provided with, keep asking. People come and go from this country, expats alike, and so keep your ear out, make friends, so that they know, and if they happen to hear something, then they can pass on that knowledge to you. And that's exactly how this happened for me. Another colleague happened to have caught wind that somebody was moving out today and just happened to be in the right place at the right time and let me know, because she'd seen my apartment, was like, you can't live like this. So I'm going to be forever grateful. Anyway, I better get packing. Yes! I like how I'm happy now. Let's see what happens another week down the track. But I'm glad to have had this experience. And yeah, it's not until you start sussing out other people and, you know, getting to know them and getting to, you know, being able to, in my case, I just asked, can I come and see where you live? And then I went, wow, I've really got it bad. Oh dear.